Hi guys! Welcome to my Top 5 Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the top 5 ways to use AI in education. So, make sure to watch the full video. Artificial intelligence, AI, is increasingly becoming one of the disruptive factors in the educational business. AI in the education market was predicted to rise to $10.38 billion by 2026, by 4 to 5.12% annually. AI edtech startups are attracting millions of dollars in funding and millions of users. Now is the time to discuss the transformations brought by AI in education. 1. Personalized learning. Personalized learning refers to a variety of educational programs in which the pace of learning and the instructional approach are optimized for the needs of each learner. The experience is tailored to learning preferences and the specific interests of different learners. AI can adapt to the individual pace of learning and can consistently offer more complex tasks to accelerate learning. Thus, both fast and slow students can continue to study at their own pace. 2. Adaptive learning. Adaptive learning is perhaps one of the most promising areas of application of AI for education. It is assumed that artificial intelligence in schools can track the progress of each individual student and either adjust the course or inform the teacher about the material that a given student has difficulty comprehending. In this regard, it is also worth mentioning some intelligent tutoring systems. 3. Proctoring. AI-powered protecting systems come to the rescue. Proctoring or proctored test is a mechanism to ensure the authenticity of the test taker and prevent him/her from cheating via a proctor is present during the duration of the test. 4. Student enrollment. Over 85% of college presidents confirm in a McKinsey & Company report that enrollment numbers are one of their key issues. The COVID-19 pandemic has been an undeniable factor. Almost 50% of students report that they don't enroll due to emotional impact. 30% say they can't afford it. Implementing AI in the enrollment process leads to the number of students rising and the university expenses going down. 5. Upskilling processes. The AI algorithms implemented in a learning experience platform, LXP, or learning management system, LMS, can help such individuals. They analyze skill sets, match them to the requirements of the open positions, highlight the gaps, and suggest training to boost the chances to continue the career path at their learning institution. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.